Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a FREEYOND M6 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and find reset options, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. So let's tap on this option, tap on reset settings, confirm everything with your pattern. Your device will ask you whether you really want to do it, because you cannot undo this action, so tap on reset settings, and as you can see we've got this info, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.